Hello my dear friends, welcome to Darshita's Creative World. Today let's see how to draw a parrot step by step. First draw the branch of tree. Then draw its tails at the down branch of the tree. Then draw a slanting line and the reverse of slanting line. Then cover it. Then draw a circle and draw the parrot's beak. Then draw the eyes of the parrot. Then let's draw the wings of it. Then let's draw its feathers on its body. Now your parrot is ready. Please like, subscribe and share this video for your friends and families. Thank you. Have a nice day.